I found this Cabbage Patch Kids hide and seek game at the thrift store last month for a couple dollars. This is from the 1980s, 1984 to be exact. So I finally got around to opening it up to make sure it had all the pieces, and it does. There's these little Cabbage Patch plastic figurines that go in here, and then you have 12 Cabbage Patch cards, and each of the cards has a Cabbage Patch that matches in here. So it's like a memory game, or how quickly you can grab something. So you divvy up the cards among the players, and then you set the timer, and you try to match the kid real quick. So since it's just me, I'm just gonna grab 3 cards on top, and then set the timer. Let's see, so we have Sue A, Ann M, and Sam M. So I'm going to try to set this timer one-handed, so bear with me. You see there's a lever right here, so I got to pull this up. There we go. Alright, there we go. Pull the lever. Okay, so it's going to slowly wind around. And now these Cabbage Patch Kids, can you see it? They're slowly raising. So then once you can grab them, you grab them and you're looking for, like this says Bob B. That's not one of our cards. Put them back. Sue A. We have Sue A, so there we go. And then grab another, Bert R. Did I break it already? It should be going back down. There. Oh, there we go. Cape S. See, they're going back down. I gotta hurry up and find Ann M. And Sam. Oh, shoot. So lost. I can't grab anymore. I didn't find Sam M. So the idea is to grab them within the time limit. So this is pretty cool. I totally remember playing this as a kid. Not for sure how you divvy up the cards. I don't know that there is an instruction booklet missing. There is instructions on the back of the box, and it says slide the lever, watch the kids sprout up. Let's see. Keep the kids you name match correctly. Return kids to the patch that don't match. The game is over when all the kids have been matched with their name card. Make the most matches and you'll be the big Cabbage Patch hide and seek winner. Okay, I'm not for sure what that means. So if you played this as a kid and you know how you're supposed to divvy up the cards, let me know. It's not very clear. Quickly pick up the kids one by one. Yeah, I'm not for sure how you divvy up the cards. It just says 12 name cards. So, I don't know. You just divvy it up among how many players and whoever finds them the quickest. I'm not very clear on that. So, if anyone remembers, please comment down below. But I'm very happy to have the completed game. So, let's try this one more time. I'm going to grab 3 different cards. Beth, Bob, and Mike. And let's pull this lever. Hold on. Pull the lever. There we go. It's hard to do it one hand. So now it's they're slowly inching up. Alright. I can grab that one. Oh, maybe. This is Mary L. No, we don't have Mary. Tom E. No, I don't. KS. Nope. Beth E. Oh yeah, we need Beth E. Where's Bob? Oh, now they're going back down. Joe. No. I'm not very good at this game. Mike L. Oh, we need Mike L. So now we just need Bob B. I got them all. Okay, I got 3. They go down quick. So cool. This is definitely a keeper. I'm not selling this. I am definitely keeping this game. I do love Cabbage Patch stuff, so pretty cool. I think I paid like $1.99 at the thrift store. They go around for $15 on eBay, so plus shipping, so you would probably end up spending $30. Let's see, wait, 15, probably cost $10 to ship. So if you wanted one, you'd probably end up spending $25 on eBay. So for $1.99, I think I got a really good deal. Thanks for watching.